Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Roman and Arabic functions in Excel. These are great tools for converting numbers into Roman numerals and vice versa. Let's dive in. Step 1. Converting Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Here I have a spreadsheet with students, test scores, and rankings. Let's say I want to convert their numeric rankings into Roman numerals. Click on cell I2. Type the formula. Roman H2, which is read aloud as equals Roman, left parenthesis, H2, right parenthesis. Press enter and Excel converts the number in H2, which is 9, into myx, the Roman numeral. If your data is in a table, the formula is applied automatically to the entire column. Step 2. Using different Roman numeral styles. If your data isn't in a table and is just in a range, type the same formula in cell I2. Roman H2, simplified. Read aloud, equals Roman, left parenthesis, H2, comma, quotation mark, simplified, quotation mark, right parenthesis. Press enter. This simplified option changes the style of Roman numerals. You'll notice it especially with larger numbers, as it uses shorter and simpler numeral forms. Since this is a range, the formula won't automatically copy down, so select I2. Double-click the autofill handle, the little green square in the bottom right corner, to apply the formula down the column. Step 3. Converting Roman numerals back to Arabic numbers. Sometimes you'll need to go the other way, from Roman numerals back to regular numbers. That's easy using the Arabic function. Click cell J2. Type Arabic I2. Read aloud, equals Arabic, left parenthesis, I2, right parenthesis. Press enter, and the Roman numeral converts back to 9, or whatever the original number was. If needed, double-click the autofill handle to apply this formula down the column. In a table, this happens automatically. Step 4. Optional formatting tips. Since these are Roman numerals, you might want them to stand out visually. Change the font from Calibri to Times New Roman, which suits Roman numerals better. You can also increase the font size or make it bold to highlight the numbers. This gives your table a clean, professional look, especially for reports or presentations. And that's it. Now you know how to convert numbers to Roman numerals with Roman, convert Roman numerals back to numbers with Arabic, and even customize the appearance for better readability. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.